what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn any website into an app such as Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. It's easy to use and it'll lead to better productivity. Let's get started. Flotato is only available to be downloaded directly from their website and is not available on the App Store. The app is about 20 megabytes in size. There's a free and a pro version. The pro version will cost about $19 for a one-time payment. This video will be based on the free version. Once the app is started, you'll see a list of pre-configured apps that are available for the popular website, but you do have the choice of making your own app if it is not available here. Let's set up the pre-configured app for Instagram by scrolling down, and let's select Get for Instagram and then select Open to launch the app. You'll be at the login screen of Instagram and you'll need to enter your Instagram credential to log in. Once you are logged in, you'll have all the similar functions as on Instagram mobile, such as posting, liking, commenting, and making setting changes. You can also make the window bigger or smaller, and an Instagram icon is created on your dock for ease of access. Let's try creating an app for Amazon since it is not available here. Click on Make Your Own App, and then type in the address for Amazon.com. App name will be Amazon. And for use, I suggest leaving it on the default selection mobile version, which will use less memory on your Mac. And you'll need to launch the app from the app folder or through Spotlight search. You'll get this message only on the free version, which limits the Flotato to one app at a time. And I just need to close my other app and it should work now. One of the main drawbacks of using Amazon in this app is the lack of back button, unlike a browser, which allows you to go back to the previous page, but everything else should work just as good as it is on your browser. That concludes the video. Let me know what you think about Flotato app in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you next time.